Agency audit checklist to review client setups monthly. Well, this video is built to help build systems and not chaos. It's crafted with clarity, high energy, and includes a complete step-by-step practical you can use as an SOP or repeatable checklist. So here is the brutal truth about running a marketing or automation agency. The real danger is not the client who never signs up. It's the one who signs up and then slowly becomes a mess. Funnels get outdated, emails start bouncing, calendars stop syncing. Workflows run wild without leads, and before you know it, you are firefighting random issues at 10 p.m. thinking, how did it get this bad? The real issue? Most agencies never build a habit of auditing client setups. They launch, forget, and scramble later. But what if you ran an agency or your agency like a pilot runs a cockpit? Every 30 days, you check the systems, you spot the leaks, you tighten the bolts. Clients don't need to ask you for help because you have already fixed it. And that's what a monthly audit or agency audit gives you. Peace of mind, happy clients, fewer emergencies, and more referrals. And the reputation of being the agency that is always on it. In this video, I'll give you the exact monthly client audit checklist I use in my own business, and I'll walk you through every step you should be taking, whether you are managing one client or 100. So let's roll up our sleeves. This audit should be done once every 30 days per client. You can assign it to a VA or an accounts manager, or even automate some of it using workflows and reminders. Step 1. Log in and load the right sub account. Start with clarity, go to agency dashboard, sub accounts, choose the client you are auditing. Step 2. Check the dashboard KPIs inside the client sub account. Have a glance at total leads generated in the last 30 days, open versus SMS and email usage, and calendar bookings. Red flags could be zero activity, big drop in open rates, suddenly no bookings. Step 3. Funnel and website review. Visit each published funnel and website page. Test all CTA buttons. Do they lead somewhere? Submit a form. Check if it fires a workflow. Ensure the domain still has SSL and is not showing errors. Look for outdated headlines, broken images, or expired offers. You can also use an incognito window or different device to test as a fresh visitor. Step 4. Workflow testing. Go to automations, workflows, open top 3 active workflows. Click on test workflow with a dummy contact and check, are emails sending? Are texts firing? Are actions triggering on time? You can use the contact activity log to see real-time workflow behavior. If leads are getting stuck, now is the time to fix it. Step 5. Calendar sync check. Go to calendars, open each calendar. Confirm it's still synced to the right Google or Outlook account. Test a booking. Confirm notification settings are still active. Email and SMS to client, to contact, etc. Step 6 is to check for email deliverability. Go to email, review last 30 days open rates, click-throughs and bounces. Look for warning signs, high bounce rate, low open rates. Run a test email from the account. Check if it lands in inbox or in spam. Step 7. GHL and AI chat settings, if you are using it. Review the AI conversations. Are they generating value or causing confusion? Fine-tune any workflows that are triggering AI replies. Make sure the AI employee still has the correct permissions and message tone. Now, I keep facing this issue always. Clients who I have set things up for the AI, every month I see that the responses starts going a little awkward, becomes a little unprofessional, or it changes over a period of time because it's AI after all. So you need to make sure that the messaging tone is right, mm, it is getting client the objective for which it was designed. Step 8, contacts and pipeline health. Go to opportunities, check how many deals are in each stage. Are they progressing or stuck? Check contacts. Last added date. If it's weeks old, lead generation may be dead. Look at tags. Are new leads being tagged properly? Step 9, reputations and reviews tab. Review how many review requests were sent. Are new reviews coming in? Is the automation still firing for review follow ups? Is the Google My Business account still connected? Step 10, snapshot backup and notes. Go to the agency view, create or update a snapshot of the account. Now, this gives you a backup in case something breaks in the future. And you can write an internal note or Loom video summary and attach it to the client's GHL Notes tab or project tracker. Then, step 11, you send an audit report to the client. And now, the magic. Turn this audit into a deliverable. In a quick Loom video or email summarize wins this month, things that were fixed, recommendations for next steps. Now, this turns you into a proactive, high-value partner and not just a vendor. You can build the best automations in the world, but if you don't audit and maintain them, they fade, fail, and frustrate. Monthly audits are the difference between running an agency and running a circus. So here is the challenge for this week. Create a Google Doc or Notion template with the steps we just covered. Choose one existing client and run your first 30-minute audit. Record a short Loom video explaining what's working, what's not, and what you will fix. Send it to your client and watch that trust skyrocket. Set a recurring reminder inside GHL or your task manager to repeat this every 30 days. And this is how real agencies scale. Not with more tools, but with better habits.